This one, no, this one, the camera. I think I'm live. Yeah, I'm live. Let me show click on the object. Okay. All right, guys. Come on, just do a thumbs up unless my time is really flying today. Can't cheat this morning. Camera looks so much to do. Okay. All right, all right. Back. Let me get this thing going. Like, let's clean this. Let's see if I can get this done. So now I'm like, imagine. Okay, better than before. All right, guys. Okay, are we good? Okay, can see active in France. Give Francias. Okay, we have French speaking francophonists in this building. Celebrate Grace. Okay. All right. Mr. Frank, are you online? Are you active? Okay, active. Yeah, it in my class. Oh my lord. You pay tax to that mosquito. 10%. Okay. So HackerRank. So thank you for you. We've done so far like three courses, two, 3 courses that are about code wars and Python basics. So today we want to go. So hello everyone. This is code. Come live now. Right, I'm back, right? Okay. So by practicing HackerRank daily, you train your logic, your speed in coding. Now, but the HackerRank is much more bit higher than code was in terms of strictness and tougher, but it's worth it. So you train yourself about logic, coding speed, and build confidence under pressure. Today we're going to solve problems in Python and JavaScript and walk through approaches and show how to submit your HackerRank step by step. So now open your HackerRank dashboard. Now I'll take you through how it's all about, do practicality and turn problems to solutions. So let us code. Okay. So if you have any questions, drop it on the chat box and we'll walk it through together. So I'll share my screen with you guys and we would start from there and yeah, build from there. Okay. So let me share my screen with you guys and All right. So this is okay. Let me go back to the main menu itself. So you go to your Google and just type google.com. Your browser once it opens, just type in HackerRank and show you some things. Use my font size. Okay, 100. Then see the HackerRank online coding test and practices. So if you want to log in to your account, it's the first time, you just click on sign up, of course. Sign up through your via email, your email, GitHub. I like using GitHub or LinkedIn. GitHub is the best on LinkedIn. But it's continue GitHub, just come to GitHub and it shows you some verification tips you have to accept. I'm in. It's me. So you have like that mode and choose to light mode you want. I love that mode personally. It's I love that, I love black mode or light mode. Okay. Okay. I think I'm back to mention my screen with you guys. We start by doing a first problem in Python, hello world. So it's not hard. So that's it. Click on it and it should show. So put in hello world one code. And this will oh, shows error. Okay, world. WORLD. Run the code. Oh, print hello comma world. They just then it's done. Submit code and you're done. Submit and it's done. Ah. So let's go back to that one and the next one up here is an if else Python if else statement. So let's see. I'm sure you follow me. Okay. I said given an integer n, perform the following conditional actions. If n is odd, print word. If n is even and in the inclusive range of 2 to 5, print not word. If n is even and in the inclusive range of 6 to 20, print word. If n is even and greater than 20, print not word. With format, a single line containing an positive integer, n is integers n, positive. So constrain 1 less than or equal to n is constrained to 100 output. We should print word if number is word. So if n is odd number, print word. If n is even and is between 2 to 5, print not word. If n is even and not and between 6 to 20, print word. If n is even and greater than 20, print not word. What a very funny thing this one. So n is also if n is so 3, n is odd and number are word. So print word. Because sample input 1, 24. 24 means it's not between 8 to 20, so we'll print not word. If we have 3, it's still between 2 to 5. 20 to 5 is not word. Why did I put word here? If n is even and in the inclusive range of 2 to 5, print not words. You put words. Okay, let's solve. These are our codes. Import maths. These are libraries in Python we use. So import maths, import OS, import random, import RE, import sys. Let's start. So let's do our maths. So we'll go below this. First of all, let's do a code for the odd number. How do you know odd number? So we'll say for odd number, we'll say so if n percent sign 2, if n divided by 2 give us 1, it's odd number. That's the case. So print word WEIRD. So but if it's even and between 2 to 5, 2 to 5. Yes, because 5, that's it. Then in that case, and if it's even, percentage n divided by percent 2, no 2, 6. So we should print, oh no, we should print not word, but so 17, if the even and between 6 to 20, good one, right? Okay. Oh, sorry for that. First rule. Okay, I think I'm back. Continue your this white text now isn't bad, but that black. That's sweet sign. Oh my god. So if this even are between 20 now, just so that we see n percentage 2 equals to 1 is odd. So if it's even and between 6 to 20, it will be elif n percent 2 assigned to 0 and in range and is in range 6, 21, print not print words print words okay, print word or else. So else, that is if is even and above above 20, they will then print not word. Let's una see. So run the code and it will auto pass application error. So it's an quite error in line 22, which is this. Error is in range. Okay, so it's going to be an n. So no n there. N the factor. What we're going to see. Now it's run and submit code. Yeah, it went through. Okay, that is done. Let's take one. Let's see. You're not done, right? You're not done. Okay, following. Sorry for that. Okay, so let me send this in the group chats that we do our meetings and so on. I like this around the UI view, man. The way it's just fitting me like this. Color combinations, it's nice and it's lovely. Okay, okay, so let's. Are you done with it? Okay, it's all done. So while I'm waiting for you guys to finish it, let's. So that's how it's. Now we let me do the logic explanation. First of all, if the number is odd, we printed word. If the number is even and between 2 to 5, printed not word. Word. If means else if. Now if the number is even and between 6 to 20, so print word. But if number is above or greater than 20, print not word. Very simple kind of code. Then if else statement. With this one now, I'm good with this to go and yeah. So let's see if we are done with that. Let's do another one. So the next one we're gonna do will be another one that not simple one. Arithmetic operators. That one is not hard. You just see. So once every day can do one in code wars, one in HackerRank. So I feel like um from next week, Monday, you would stop doing MySQL. Okay. Oh, I think I'm live. So just refreshing. So are we done with that Python if else statement? If else problem, just give me a thumbs up. You're done. Let's move to the next one. Just now. It's I think it's so many Python um problems to solve. Just do my one. Get better. I know how it works very well. Then another one is called arithmetic operator in Python. The tax here, it's saying if you're done with that, let me move to the other one. Okay. So the next one we'll move on to be all right. So this is another tax. The arithmetic operators. Tax says the provided code stub reads two integers from student A and B. So add code to print three lines where the first line contains the sum of the two numbers, that's addition. Second line contains differences of two numbers, that is subtraction. The third line contains the product of two numbers multiplication. Example, let's say A is assigned to 3, B assigned to 5. Print the following 8. So that means the first one will be 5 plus 3 will be 8. 3 minus 5 will be 2. Times 3 is 15. This format. So the first line contains the first integer n. Second line contains the second integer b. Constraint. Output format prints the three lines explained above. Sample inputs 0. So 3, 2. So if it's 3, 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 minus 2, 1, 3 times 2, 6. So that's correct there. So let's see if you can do ours. And let's see how it goes very, very quickly. And it shouldn't be a challenge. This is more like a arithmetic, very, very babyish. No, sorry, just a good one. Let's say, um, now the first one, this first a equals ints. It's gonna be, it reads the first integer inputs. Copy this one, paste below. Or the B read the second integer inputs. Let's print. So you print the sum of A and B by saying print A plus B, then just copy it and change it like that. So look for subtraction and multiplication. So change the sum to difference of A, just in brackets to be A minus B. So to be A minus B will be here. Then print the products of A times B. Remember, times is not aesthetic for times in Python in the coding generally. So A asterisk B. I love misplace my work. I love being spacious. Try to be clarity. Clarity's sake, let it like this. Spacious. Spacious. All right. A times B. Then let's run and see code. They don't burn that death message run. If my father's side, I know. Okay, right. All right. So it's run and submit. So test it for you and just to go. So I know run. It's a simple basics. All right. It's went successfully and it was that one. So next challenge gives us so it's not hard, right? Just that one is simple challenge. Let's see if there's anyone that any tough one that can do. Let's see any tough one. My phone is tough now. Let's see. So an other dicts. An other dicts. So an other dicts dictionary. Sorry. Let's see my screen. Let's see. So one goes some challenge. Let's see. I love it. I love what you can make me to boost me. Sorry, sir. So An order dicts is a dictionary that remembers the color, the order of the key that were inserted first. If a new entry overwrites an existing entry, the original insertion position is left unchanged. Example, we saw and we saw from collection import order dicts. That's the dicts print tax. You are the manager of a supermarket. You have a list of n items together with their prices that consumers brought on a particular day. Your task is to print each item name and net price in order of its first occurrence. So we have item name assigned to name of item, net price assigned to quantity of the item sold multiplied by the price of each item. Input format. The first line contains the number of items n. The next n line contains the item's name and price, separated by space. Output format. Print the item name and net price in order of its first occurrence. Sample input. Banana fries, potato chips, oh wow, apple juice, candy, apple juice. So print the items in so current comes first. Also should be the output should be banana fries 12, potato chips 60. That 60 is 30 plus 30, okay? Apple juice 20. So you have apple juice 10, you have 10 plus 10, okay? Candy 20, 35 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, okay? Explanation. Banana fries, quantity bought 1, price, net price 12. Potato chips, quantity brought 2, price 30 times 2, 60. Apple juice, quantity brought 2, 10 times 2, 20. Candy, so if you want to times it by the price, quantity. So, okay, so you say net equals to quantity of the items times price. Okay, okay. Let's solve and see. So the aim is say we should our tax is to print the item name and net price in order of the occurrence. The name, let's so how do we do that? All right, let's get our hands dirty. It's gonna be a very sweet code right now. I love this. I love this. Don't you love it? Oh my lord. Okay. All right, let's do so first thing first. I have to import. Okay, let me come up on my screen. First, I have to import this from here. To import this stuff, just copy it from here. Import collections. If I clear this nonsense, CSF, then put in for that one the our normal what they give us. First, name must put this one under name. So this line I'm doing here in Python, what it means is a convention that controls how code is executed. So when Python has the name and how it runs effectively. So the must to execute. So then two underscore call it thunder main, and that way. So it's prevent code from being running, prevent certain code from running when the file is imported. Let's just separate code and reuse. Yeah, back to our stuff. So we have oh sorry underscore main underscore. All right. Then let us first of all going to create an an order dicts create an order dicts to store items in order of first occurrence. I think so. Yes, that's what they said here. Occurrence. Let's not do that now by saying so. See items. Okay. Right. Come back. Multiple words. So the item underscore words. Item underscore name. Give a space in between. Then join. So join them. We join the last words together. So join line minus one. We join this one together. Okay. Then so if item already exists, then add price to its total. If items underscore name is in items, then we'll add the we'll add item to the price list. We're doing plus equals to data which will then else is very sweet there. Otherwise, initialize in NTIALIZE initialize with current current price. So it will be items. But if there's no price, if price exists in the list, add the price items to the total, or else leave it normal price. Will be unless it will be item name, item underscore name will be assigned to price, no addition. Then with that, let's now print. Leave the for loop and print. So then print by saying so we'll print items in order of first occurrence. So we'll do for items and net price. So for loop for using them key value pair. So the key is the item, the value is the price dictionary. So for item net price in items dot items print print item net underscore price. Okay, let's see to run. Okay, so run. So we did it together. We did it. We created an ordered list to store items in order they first came. We read the number of entries with this, the for loop. So four entries with the line of, we read the line and turn it into words. Then we write the last element, which is the price, and turn the element into an integer, int. Then the rest formed in multiple words. If the item exists already, add it to the price list. If not, treat like that plain. Then print out the order from the first. So we have the first one. So let's see how it goes. So let's run and see if we fail. Or if it doesn't fail, fail. He never fails. Oh, okay. Runtime error. Attribute string object has no attribute name strip. You cannot mistakenly. So I use a wrong name spelling. Strict of strip in line 8. So I use stripped instead of strip. So see, good spelling. That's what I'm gonna see. Okay, and so error name, items name is not defined. Even item name. So 22. I use item, no items, item name. So you see, good spelling is very important. Love Python that way. Run and see again. Okay. Line 30. Error, name error. Name items not defined. Do you mean items? Yes, I meant items. Line 30. Print, sorry, print to item, correct. Item. So it's item for item. So item is the key value iterating over items. So print key and value. Now run and search run and see. Okay, it went. Submit code. Let's see. Okay, it's working. So guys, crank is more fun and it's tougher, but it's sweet. So let's do that. Are we saying this? Okay, what are working? So hopefully yours should run. Let me copy it and the group chat and okay. Sorry, hopefully it went. All right, guys. So that's all for today. Just daily, one code words, one hacker rank, one code word, one hacker rank, and get better. For now, just do for hacker rank, do only for now the Python for hacker rank. Python, finish it in code words, do your PY and JS together. Let's see if yours run and share your short on the group chat. That'll be all for today. So we'll meet. So um, when we meet on Monday, because tomorrow is a very long weekend, we would then do start our full blown capstone projects, how to integrate Python framework called Django, and with Django, know what is really common of some tech tools we're using, um, Docker application, to run it with our front framework, JavaScript, JS, Bootstrap, CSS, HTML, of course, database with PostgreSQL. And yeah, it will be fun. So thank you for staying true. Remember, practice the perfect. The more you code, the better you become. Just keep coding, keep it going. When you feel tired, code. You feel strong, code, and the code too. Follow guys that code online, especially places like LinkedIn, X, of course, even on Instagram to there about people there. Join YouTube videos and go on. Okay. Any question or any bugs with your work? Okay. Share is off. Alright, guys. So we don't want to see your life for what to do later on. You have an issue, us? Any issue, us? Okay. Of what? Which of them? The second one? This one or the right now? This or that's it. So just check each can be into place. Either is your naming spelling. Check the naming. Every split item or items, any S over there, item name, items name. It's not items, it's item. It's not item names, it's item name. It's not items names, item name. So don't with items and item. Of course, this strip, the splits, other dicts, every small letter, big letter can conflict. Just do you run through it again in the error. The read the error space there. This is what is showing you there. What's it showing? Is it going? Good, yes. Just don't items to right, correct. All right. Bro, Frank from Hafa. All right, good. Okay, so that's how it goes. Okay. Let's make this post now. Let's see. I'm moving now. Ha, ha, ha. Okay. Okay. Zero. Okay, just line code is going step by step. You're making progress. Right. 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 If you're telling me thumbs up, I'm done. Let me see then. We'll call it a day. I think we just okay. I think I'm done. Let's just go to let me just leave it live then. Link is on the online.